So the visa bulletin for December 2023 is out. And guess what? We haven't seen too much movement from the previous month, but we might be able to give you some predictions as we head into 2024. Hello everybody and welcome back to our immigration channel. This is where we explain complex immigration matters in short, simple videos. And in this video, we'll talk about the December 2023 visa bulletin. As we do every single month, we'll give you an update and analysis of the visa bulletin. Before we dive into the visa bulletin and discuss the family-based part and the employment-based part, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. As always, if you need help with any of your immigration matters, all you have to do is send me a text, 619-483-4549. I'm here to help you. So let's talk about the December 2023 visa bulletin. If you look at the employment-based side in terms of EB1, EB2, EB3, we've seen virtually no movement from the previous visa bulletin. And the same can be said on the family-based side. We're going to go over the charts like we do every single month, but it's important to understand that we didn't expect too much movement in December since the beginning of the fiscal year in October. There's been a lot of changes. They're trying to figure out how much visas are needed per category. And so for the moment, we don't see too many changes, but we hope that moving forward from January and February, we're definitely going to see some movement specifically in the family-based categories. If you're filing for your adjustment of status inside the United States, the USCIS confirmed that for adjustment of status, they'll continue to accept applications based on the dates of filing chart. Now, the reason why we feel there's going to be more movement moving forward from January through February is that we already have seen at the National Visa Center, more cases are actually being scheduled for interview. And when we do a video explaining the MVC backlog and when your visa will be scheduled for an interview, we'll talk about that as well. But that's all connected. The visa bulletin is definitely connected to how and when interviews are actually being scheduled. Let's start with family-based categories. Category F1, the rest of the world is now at September 1st, 2017 cutoff date. The previous cutoff date from the last month was September 1st, 2017, so you can see no change. For China, they are now at September 1st, 2017. Previously, it was the same, September 1st, 2017, no change. India is also September 1st, 2017, just like the previous month, no change. Mexico, for category F1, is at April 1st, 2005, just like previous month, no change. And the Philippines is now at April 22nd, 2015, no change from previous month. Moving to the F2A category. The rest of the world is now at September 1st, 2023. Previously, they were also September 1st, 2023, no change. China is September 1st, 2023. Previously, no change. India also September 1st, 2023, no change. Category F2A. Mexico is also September 1st, 2023, no change. And finally, the Philippines, September 1st, 2023, no change. And once again, if you're inside the United States, you're going to be able to use this chart and file your adjustment of status for family-based categories. This is the final action dates chart. For F2B category, rest of the world is January 1st, 2017, no change from the previous month. China is January 1st, 2017, also no change from previous month. India is January 1st, 2017, no change. And Mexico is at August 1st, 2004, no change for the previous month. Philippines is at October 1st, 2013, no change from the previous month. Moving to the F3 category, the rest of the world is at March 1st, 2010, no change from previous month. China is at March 1st, 2010, no change from the previous month. India is at March 1st, 2010, also no change from previous month. Mexico remains at June 15, 2001, no change from the previous month. And the Philippines is at November 8, 2003, no change from previous month. Moving to F4 category, siblings, rest of the world is at March 1st, 2008. China is at March 1st, 2008. India is February 22nd, 06. Mexico is April 15, 2001, and the Philippines is April 22nd, 2004. Now, as you can see, because the slow movement of visas in the visa bulletin, it kind of reflects also what's happening at the National Visa Center in terms of visa scheduling. We've seen a slight increase in visa scheduling appointments at embassies and consulates, maybe an increase of 1% or less from previous month. It just shows you because the Visa Bulletin is so behind, they're not able to schedule appointments as well. So it's all connected. Move to the employment-based categories and look at the charts and see what kind of movements we've seen from previous month. As I mentioned, there's barely no movement, and it was predicted that December will be very similar to what we've seen in November. EB1 category, rest of the world, is current. No change from the previous month. China is set at August 1st, 2022, the same like last month. India is July 1st, 2019, just like last month. And Mexico is current, and the Philippines is current as well. Moving to EB2 category, rest of the world is January 1st, 2023. China is January 1st, 2020. India is May 15, 2012. Mexico is January 1st, 2023. And the Philippines, January 1st, 2023. No change from last month for all these categories. EB3 is set at December 1st, 2021 for the rest of the world. For China, it's set at January 22nd, 2020. India is at May 1st, 2012. Mexico is December 1st, 2021. And the Philippines, December 1st, 2021. EB4, rest of the world, March 1st, 2019. No change from previous month. China is March 1st, 2019. India, March 1st, 2019. Mexico is at March 1st, 2019. And Philippines is March 1st, 2019. Category EB4, no change from previous month. EB5, investor category. Rest of the world is current, no wait, the same like last month. China is at January 1st, 2017. India, April 1st, 2022. And Mexico is current, and the Philippines current. No change from previous month. So, as I mentioned before, we don't see too many changes from previous month, and that was predicted. That's what we thought. We start going to see more movement from January moving forward, February and March. And again, the reason is because they're still kind of trying to figure out the numbers. The numbers are issued by the State Department based on the need and usage of visas. But again, as you can see, a little bit more interviews are being scheduled at embassies and consulates worldwide. That's good news, but it's still very low numbers compared to previous months. So it's still very slow. Once again, all I can tell you is that we will see better movement starting in 2024. Right now, we have to remain patient and obviously keep the follow-up, whether it's with NVC or the national, whether it's with NVC and the embassies, and make sure you keep in touch with them so they won't close your case. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. And as always, if you need help with your immigration matters, all you have to do is send me a text, 619-483-4549. I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.